Oh my gosh, last week's detox training was amazing. Oh, hey, hello. Welcome to the weekly business update. What was one thing that you took away from the detox training last week? Are you going to share that with a friend? Think about that, because this week's training is going to be amazing. But I'm going to let Glee share that with you.
Sleep issues, maybe some hot flashes, other discomforts that are unfamiliar to you. Well, these are just ways that we might think are happening because we're getting older, but maybe it's that our body needs a little extra support. So why don't you join me at the next class where we're going to talk about some simple, easy solutions that can help support us during this season in life.
Here's a couple reminders that I want to leave you with. Number 1, Double Up Fast Start, where you could earn double on your level 1 Fast Start bonuses. Number 2, Leadership Retreat. It's right around the corner, and I want to make sure that you bring a friend along with you. Early bird tickets are right now until November 17th. Be sure to get yours. There's all of these amazing materials that you can find through the DMK ready for you to share with a friend. I hope you have an amazing week, friends. See you next time.
I used to think it was too late to start something new and meaningful for myself. Then I found doTERRA. Trusted products, a mission to help people feel their best, and a community that feels like family. From essential oils to supplements to everyday products, I found everything I need to take charge of my wellness. And the best part? When I share these products, I earn a commission every time someone makes a purchase. It's such a simple way to stay connected, focus on wellness, and create extra income. If you're curious about what doTERRA could bring to your life, ask the friend who shared this with you. It might just be the start of something wonderful.